day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Area of a Parallelogram. This parallelogram, we're going to be talking about how to find the area. And remember, to find the area of a parallelogram, it's really not that difficult. All we have to do is take the base and multiply it by the height. So, in this case, the base is 12. So we can simply take 12 and multiply it by the height of 6. 12 times 6 is 72. That means our area equals 72 units squared. Remember, we're finding out how many square units can fit inside this shape with no gaps or overlaps. So that's why we raise it to the second power, or we square it. Anyways, I hope that was helpful to you. Best of luck.